Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving into a fascinating article. Vim after Bram, a core maintainer on how they've kept it going. It's a story of community resilience in the face of unexpected challenges. Intriguing, right?
Absolutely. I've always been curious about the behind-the-scenes workings of major open-source projects. What's the main takeaway from this piece?
The core message is a testament to the power of open-source community. After Bram Vim's creator, passed away, the community rallied to keep the project alive. It wasn't just about code. It was about navigating legal hurdles, updating outdated infrastructure, and maintaining a healthy community spirit.
Wow, that sounds like a monumental task. What kind of hurdles did they face, specifically?
Oh, plenty. For starters, Bram was the sole owner of the GitHub account, so transferring ownership after his death was a significant legal and technical challenge. They also had to deal with outdated infrastructure, a 20-year-old homepage running on 7 Philippine pesos, an FTP server from the 90s, and a vulnerability reporting site that shut down. There was a real scramble to get everything updated and running smoothly.
That's incredible. So how did they manage to overcome all of that?
That's where the community shines. They leveraged GitHub's deceased user policy, though it wasn't straightforward. They brought in new maintainers, many of whom were longtime contributors, and they tackled the infrastructure issues one by one. It was a collaborative effort, and the community's response was truly inspiring.
I see. Did they make any significant changes to the Vim project itself, beyond just the infrastructure?
Yes and no. They're planning some changes for Vim 9.2, like better support for the XDG base directory specifications and Wayland. But overall, they're currently in what they call maintenance mode. They're focusing on smaller, self-contained features and bug fixes rather than large-scale overhauls.
Interesting. So, essentially, they're prioritizing stability and community engagement over ambitious new features?
Precisely. They recognize that maintaining backward compatibility is crucial, and they're also working on improving the project's documentation and making it easier for new contributors to get involved. They even updated the code formatting style to be more user-friendly.
That makes sense. It sounds like a sustainable approach. What about the ICCF, Bram's favorite charity? Did that continue to receive donations?
Yes, absolutely. The Molinar family is still managing Bram's PayPal account for ICCF donations, and they've received a significant amount since his passing. However, the feature that allowed donors to vote on Vim features was discontinued due to logistical challenges in tracking donations.
That's a thoughtful way to handle that aspect. So what's the overall message here? What can other open-source projects learn from Vim's experience?
The biggest lesson is the importance of community. A strong, active community is essential for the long-term sustainability of any open-source project. Proper planning for succession, clear documentation of processes, and a commitment to community engagement are all crucial for navigating unexpected events and ensuring the project's continued success. It's a powerful story of how a community can come together to preserve a legacy.
It really is. A great example of the collaborative spirit of open source. Thanks for sharing this insightful story.
My pleasure. And thank you for listening to Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of Vim and open source community management. Have a great day, and we'll catch you on the next episode.
Bye-bye.